Hello everybody and welcome to the Matplotlib tutorial number 4. So in this video we will actually see how to plot or scatter the algebraic curves like polynomial curves like quadratic curve, cubic curve, or the curve that has a degree 6 or more than 6. So here is an example for you. For the quadratic equation, so we will actually see how you can scatter and plot the quadratic curve and also the logarithm and the exponential curves. And in the next part we will talk actually how these curves are actually working with the algorithm. But in this tutorial we will actually see how to code this sketch. Okay, so for the quadratic equation we have general form of the equation, and that is ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general form of the equation in which we have a, b, c are the coefficients of x. Okay, if you don't know about the degree of the equation, let me explain you. So the degree of the equation is equal to the maximum power of the equation. So for the equation ax square plus bx plus c, what is the maximum power of this equation? And that is 2. So the degree of the equation is 2, and number of coefficients of equation is equal to degree plus 1. So in this case degree coefficients are 3, degree plus 1, and degree is 2, so 3 coefficients are there, a, b, c. And when we plot this curve using some points in the range, so we got this curve. Okay, uh, so for the let me explain you this concept. Okay, so if we have ax square plus bx plus c, this is the equation this is known as the quadratic equation that has the degree 2. And degree 2, that means if we have a equation that has degree n, for that equation we have n plus 1 coefficients. So the equation a cubic equation is the equation that has degree 3. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is the equation of cubic equation. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and 4 coefficients are there, a, b, c, d, that is 3 plus 1. Okay, what about the equation that has in a degree 6? That degree 6, it means 6 power 6, maximum power is 6. So x power 6, bx power 5, like this way. And in this case we have 7 coefficients. Okay, so how you can plot this curve and how to sketch this, we will discuss about this in. Okay, so let's start code. Okay, so what is the very first step you need to do is to again the importing all these stuffs matplotlib. So I'm importing all this stuff. So wait a minute, import matplotlib.pyplot as pt. And the second step is to import all of these from matplotlib.importing style. And now using style.use, and we use ggplot in this case. Okay, so we have an x array, and x is a list and y is a list. And we are first talking about ax square plus bx plus c. So a times x square plus b times x plus c. For that equation we have 3 coefficients, and the maximum degree is 2. Okay, so we say for I in range minus 300s to plus 300s, because taking these x values are in the range of this. So I'm gonna say f dot append. Okay, first we need to say our equation. So the y1 is equal to a times x square plus b times x plus c, this way. And we need to define abc, so let's define this. So abc, and that is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So we say this. So what is the equation in that case? If a, b, c is equal to 1, 3, 2, and that is a tuple. Okay, so x square plus 3x plus 2, this is my equation. And not we need to do is I. Okay, because we are taking I. Okay, and now y dot append y1. Similarly x dot append x1 this way. Okay, everything is fine. Now we need to scatter all of this, so let's scatter this. Pt dot scatter x and y, and the color, let's say black color. Okay, and now showing all of these points. Pt dot show, control S, save, control D for running. Okay, we got error x dot append x1 because x1 is not there, x1 is not defined. Okay, so we need to say is I. Let's draw. Okay, and here we got our output. So this is my curve that has 600 points and in the range of -300 to +300, and this is the quadratic equation curve. And let's talk about the second example, in which for a cubic equation. So for the cubic equation we have ai power 3 plus bi power 2 plus c power I plus d, and we need to define the value of d. So we define this, so a b c d 1 3 2 and maybe 4 this way. Everything is fine again. Let's draw. Okay, so this is the curve of cubic equation. So this is how you can. Okay, so what about the equation that has an degree 5? So if the degree is 5, that means the coefficients are 6, so we need to define 6 coefficients, so a b c d e f, and this way. And now to do is ai power 5 plus bi power 4 plus c times I square plus di. Okay, so we are talking about the equation that has a degree 6, so ai power 6 that has degree 5, so ai power 5 plus bi power 4 plus ci power 3 plus di power 2 plus e power I plus f. Again, everything is fine. You can change the coefficients according to your equation, that's why, but just for you, I was showing you example, I just do. Okay, so this is how your sketch of the equation that has the curve. So this is how your equation that has degree 5 is drawn. Okay, so this is how the the quadratic curve, polynomial curves are working in Python. Let's talk about how you can use logarithm curve or exponential curve. So again, x and y is all same. What we need to do is to saying foreign range. First talk about the logarithm curve. So saying foreign range of y 1 to 300 or 1 to 400. Why I am not taking 1? Because we know the value of logarithm 0 is infinity. So that's why. And I was saying again y1, and that is a math dot log of I, and again y dot append y1, x dot append x1, like this way. And now need to scatter all of these things, so pt dot scatter x and y, and then pt dot show this way. And we need to import math first, so import math, save, control S, running. Okay, x1 is not defined, again we got this same error, x dot append I, and now let's run this. Okay, so this is your logarithm curve sketch. So this is how you can plot the logarithm curves. What about the exponential curve? So we say math dot exponential, and it doesn't have any domain error, so let's plot this. Okay, so this is how your exponential curves are working. Okay, so this is how your algebraic curves or logarithm curves or polynomial curves are working in Matplotlib. So in the next part of the video we will actually talking about how the algebraic curves, how this quadratic equation, the cubic equation, and the polynomial equation that has in a degree maybe 10 or maybe 9, how you can make an algorithm in this, and how we can show in the Matplotlib. So wait for the next part, because in the next part we will apply the algorithm, our own algorithm that will calculate each and every root of the equation. So in the next part of the video we will talk about how you can find the root of the equation. So wait for the next part and subscribe my channel for Python, JavaScript and machine learning videos. Thanks for watching.